Guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to work with Android alert dialog. An alert dialog is a pop-up window that requests user confirmation. So in this application, we'll be requesting user if he or she want to exit the application or not. So when we display the alert dialog, if the user select yes, he want to exit the applications exit. If select no, nothing happens. So let's get started. We are going to work on the main activity. So we have our expected output is similar to this application, where we have this alert dialog. I you want to exit. Exiting will close the application. No, nothing happens. But if the user clicks yes, the application closes. So let's get started. We need new alert dialog dot builder. This is the context dot set icon android dot draw, okay, dot set title are you sure you want to exit. We need message exiting will close the application. Then we need to set positive button. If the user clicks yes, dialog new dialog, okay. If the user clicks yes, we close the application. Set negative no. If the user clicks no, we toast dot make get application context nothing happens toast dot background dot show, and finally we need to show this alert dialog. That's all. Let's learn our application and see the output. Corrado build learning, installing application, launching. Yeah, so are you sure you want to exit? Exiting will close the application. No, nothing happens. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes, the application closes. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.